What's up, fam? Is that one plug with that crisp voice? On today's episode of Auto Archives, it will kind of be a mix of classic and something that is still ongoing because it has been going on for quite a while now. I'm talking about this inventor who took a luxury Audi A8, ripped out its engine, and made it walk, like kind of literally walk. I'm talking about Adrian Roșca, if I'm pronouncing the word right, an inventor from Balad, Romania. He spent over a decade building the Rosmar H, a car with no transmission, no engine, no zero drive shafts that uses compressed air cylinders to shove its wheels forward step by step, like mimicking a human vile unatembea through pneumatic locomotion. And engineers and physicists, you may feel free to tell us what this entails, kind of your technical jargon. So, Roșca claims it can hit 333 kilometers an hour in 1 second. Whoa, that's quite a bold statement over there. And it can climb impossible angles compared to your typical RAV4, your typical Hilux, Ford Raptor that you claim is so badass. But after pitching his invention on TV investment shows like Imperial Layla, yeah, I think is equivalent of a Shark Tank back at Romania. He was met with rejection and a lot of skepticism, ruthless online trolling. So it's not just only here, but it's kind of a world, this invention. So a lot of people are trying to make sense of it. Well, so what do you think? Is he a visionary ahead of his time, or this is the most impractical car ever created? Let me know in the comment section, my fellow laymen, engineers, and physicists. Uh, Feel free. And before I forget, we deal with quality car auto body parts at unbeatable prices in town. You can feel free to call at 0759705015, or you can link up on my socials and you can interact on the various auto body parts and spare parts that you may be in need of. So I'm looking forward to seeing you next time, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.